Okay, uh, there is probably a reason why I cannot trace this signal wire back all the way to the BL touch sensor, because this is going through this circuit right here. There's a two diode in line with the incoming signal from the control board, I believe. Now, the thing that's throwing me off, I mean, I understand that sometimes they do this for signal conditioning and proper signaling, and just to protect the circuitry from any mishap. And I do understand that this is also set up in firmware. You have to set up this correctly, otherwise it won't function. And but what is throwing me off is why they have the same circuitry here on this takeout board, as well as on this little piggyback board. You see, it's the same thing. Two diodes, a resistor, um, in line with the BL touch connections here. So this is already here on this takeout board, but this little piggyback board was part of this setup right here. It plugs right there where it says BL touch. So if I were to plug that in right there, and then plug the connector that extends from this takeout board to this connector here, it's got that basically the same circuitry there and there, and here. So something is either redundant, or something is just not. Yeah, this is throwing me off. Why would they do that? Why would they have the same circuitry here and there? I would imagine that just one time that circuitry would be enough to do the proper signal conditioning or whatever they're doing here, and just protect the circuitry, because diodes are protective devices for reverse polarity. So phew. So this is throwing me off, but I cannot go further tracing that continuity with a continuity test, and I believe it's because this this signal is terminating in this circuit right here. I am following. I am tracing it to there's a little tiny resistor there. So I am tracing to that point, but beyond that point, I cannot trace it to the connectors here, to these Ethernet connectors, and it's probably because that signal needs to be active, perhaps to be able to